Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Mailchimp with Wordpress. Linking these platforms helps us capture leads, grow our email list, and automate marketing right from our website. Let's begin. Go to Integrations. Click the Integrations option on the left side of the dashboard. We need to click this, then click Manage. Here, we can browse apps and integrations. We will see a list of all our integrations. If we see WordPress, we need to click it. As we can see here, WordPress is available. We just have to click the WordPress option, and then we can get started. Remember, before connecting with WordPress, we must have a paid WordPress plan. Without a plan, WordPress will not work with other platforms. As shown here in the Plugins or Integrations section of WordPress, plugins cannot be used without a plan. We need to upgrade to use this feature. So, for us, we go to WordPress. If we have a WordPress plan, Connect Word will appear in that button. Once click Connect the Install, and Connect button will appear again on that yellow button. Simply click Get Started and connect Install and Connect. This is how we connect Mailchimp with WordPress. Once everything is set up, we can start building our audience and running email campaigns easily.